Hi everyone, my name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. This is going to be a quick one, but you're going to love it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. I really think you're going to enjoy this. If you like what you see, go down below and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it, and you'll get a notification. It's a notification bell whenever I have a new video up, and you won't miss it. And it helps my channel to grow, so I really appreciate it. So this is going to be so fast, don't blink your eyes or you'll miss it. This is a caramel apple dip, but this is probably not one you've really seen before, because several years ago I put a caramel apple dip on my channel, and oh, it was so good. This is good but simple. If you have unexpected company, you can whip this up in 2 minutes. You just feel like having some? Remember, apple picking season's coming. Don't forget that. So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. So, you're going to need 1 block of softened cream cheese. You want it at room temperature. So, let me get the foil off it. Okay. Trying to cut it nicely so it comes out in a nice block. So there you go. Perfect. Perfect. Just what I wanted. Take the foil off there. Come on, foil. Come off. Come off. There you go. It's a little sticky because it's softened. Alrighty. There you go. Okay. So as you can see, let me fix it on the side so it looks pretty. So there you have your block of softened cream cheese. Now what I'm going to do, after I wipe my fingers, I'm going to take a jar. This happens to be Smucker's caramel flavored topping. I'm going to pour it right over that block of cream cheese. So watch we go here. Woo! Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. I'll put a still in the video for you. Woo, look at that, baby. Alrighty. So we have that. Okay, so I poured the caramel all over the block of cream cheese. Now, what I sprinkled on the top was Heath miniatures. You know, those like Heath toffee bars. I could not find the bag in the store of the ones they sell, you know, as like the sprinkles. So I just bought the miniature ones and I chopped them up. So as you can see, I put them around and on top of that block of cream cheese and the caramel. Looks good. So let me push this over to the side. Now, I happen to have bought a couple of Gala apples. You can use any apples you want. You can use Granny Smith, Delicious, whatever you want. You're going to take your apple, and I have this little gadget here that cuts your apple into wedges and cores it. Had it for years, and it's the best little gadget around. So if you put it in the center of your apple, push a little bit and jiggle it. Jiggle it, jiggle it. Look at that. Works perfectly. Gives you all little apple slices. So I'm going to take my dish back here and put these around there. What a great little treat. If you have unexpected company, or if you've gone apple picking, which we're planning on doing. We do that every year. And like I mentioned earlier, I made one of these dips many years ago, and I put it on my YouTube channel. But it was in a pie plate, and it was very different than this. This could not be any easier. I mean, really. 4 ingredients. a block of cream cheese, caramel topping, toffee bits, and your apples. And it makes such a great presentation. I'll put a still in the video for you. So now it's time for me to do a taste testing. So let me take one of these apple slices. Oh yeah, dip it in that cream cheese with the toffee. Oh, look at this, and the caramel. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Is that delicious? Mmm. Mmm. So good. I'm really glad that you watch my videos, but what I'd love more is you make these desserts. I do sweet and savory both on my channel. So, I hope you enjoyed this. It really is delicious. I want to thank everybody for taking time out of their busy schedule to watch me make this apple caramel dip. And please, please subscribe. And I just want you to know I really appreciate it. I love you all. I'm going to finish eating some of these apples with this dip. And I will see you all very soon. Toodles!